Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got this one yesterday, and it's one of those shoes that I ordered from Adidas online. Because I wanted to get a new sneakers. And then the actual style that I really like was not available on my size. So this is like my second choice, because I think the one I preferred was like the one that has like the blue stripe. This one has the green stripe on it, but again, it was like not bad for my taste or style. So that's why I got it too, just to have like something. But all right, let's go ahead and open this one for unboxing. So all right, it looks like this, the Adidas Special. It's special because it says here, there's like a special. At first I was thinking it was like intentional kind of spelling. I was like not really like mistaken. And then there's a Adidas logo over here. There's not like really like a name over here, but the actual name of the Adidas were inside over here on the sole protector. And then again, there's another golden, you can see this one, gold thread. Okay, and then look at the pair, right? It looks cool. So it's like neat and clean. It's simple design. It's not like over, because sometimes you can get like a shoes that is like too catchy, eye catcher. Like it's gonna catch attention. But this one is just kind of subtle a bit, like tame. So it's not like really distracting, but the design is really good. It's not kind of like awesome, right? So and then the bottom part of the shoes is like looks like this. Hopefully, the only bad thing about getting a white color is it's gonna like the dirt is gonna start like kind of damage it or like stick to it. So you have to clean it often compared to like a colored one. Again, it depends on actually how you use the shoes or where you go and how you handle it. So all right, let's see if I can try it on. All right, I'm tried wearing this one, and then yeah, it feels comfortable. It's not like too fit or too tight. Again, if once I wear it more often, it's gonna it's gonna create more space anyway. I'm sorry for the trash on the side, but yeah, it looks good though. Like the problem in this one is I have to clean it often now. It's color white. But again, thank you guys for watching.